Hello guys. Today we have a box full of surprise eggs. Let's open the box and see what's inside them.
Wow!
Pink egg. Can you guess what's inside this egg? Let's open and see.
Thank you!
Turtle. Turtles have a very hard outer shell made of keratin that protects them from predators. Their shell has 13 large plates on top of it. Green egg. I wonder what's inside this egg. Let's open and see.
Hello!
Monkey. There are over 264 different species of monkeys around the world. There are two main types of monkeys. New World monkeys live in the Americas. Old World monkeys live in Asia and Africa. Red egg. Can you help me find out what's inside this egg? Let's open together and see.
Thank you!
Horse. Horses are nasal breathers. This means that they are unable to breathe through their mouth as humans can.
Woo!
Yellow egg. Can you guess what's inside this egg? Let's open and see.
Hello!
Sheep. Sheeps have rectangular pupils which allow for a wide field of vision, around 270 to 320 degrees.
Woo!
This means that sheep can see almost everything around them, except for what's directly behind them, without having to turn their heads. Blue egg. I wonder what's inside this egg. Let's open and see.
Thank you!
Clownfish. There are around 30 known species of clownfish. Clownfish are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals.
Woo!
They are found in coral reefs off the coast of Australia and South Asia. Pink egg. Can you help me find out what's inside this egg?
Hello!
Elephant. Elephants have created their very own sunscreen. After a river or swamp bath, they'll throw mud and sand up and over themselves to protect their skin from the hot, burning sun. Green egg. Can you guess what's inside this egg? Let's open and see.
Thank you!
Dog. A dog's nose print is unique, much like a person's fingerprint. Dogs' noses can sense heat radiation, which explains why blind or deaf dogs can still hunt. Yellow egg. I wonder what's inside this egg. Let's open and see.
Hello!
Cow. Cows are moving constantly during grazing, and can cover 13 kilometers per day. Cows have a strong sense of smell. They can perceive smells at a distance of up to 10 kilometers. Red egg. Can you help me find out what's inside this egg?
Thank
Tiger.
you.
Tigers are one of the most humble species, unlike lions. Often it is seen in the wildlife that the male tigers allow the female and cubs to eat first. Pink egg. Can you guess what's inside this egg? Let's open and see. Hen. Hens have a profound memory and are able to distinguish between more than 100 faces of their species. They can also recognize people and lots of animals such as dogs and cats. Green egg. I wonder what's inside this egg. Let's open and see.
Thank you.
Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth. Their legs alone are taller than many humans, about 6 feet, and they can run as fast as 35 miles an hour over short distances, or cruise at 10 miles per hour over longer distances. Blue egg. Can you help me find out what's inside this egg? Ladybug. There are about 5,000 different species of ladybugs in the world. They come in many different colors and patterns, but the most familiar in North America is the seven-spotted ladybug with its shiny, red and black body. Yellow egg. Can you guess what's inside this egg? Zebra.
Thank you.
In the wild, they can live up to 20 years and around 40 years in a zoo. Zebras run from side to side in zigzag pattern to escape predators.